She sneezes weird, guys.
That felt weird.
Damn. I think she's allergic to something.
Doesn't sound like much of a deal. 30 for 88 cents, right?
Okay.
All right, we'll grab it just in case.
Okay, so we're done here. You have anything you have to say?